I'm going to do planetarium and I'm going to colour one by one. Today I've got a stand, some balls and a paint. I have to do one by one. I did a full semi-sphere, the full semi-ball. And now we have to wash it with some tissues. And then we should paint the rest. I love to learn planetarium. I love planets. I finished Sun and I will do Saturn today. Saturn is with color here. It's a ring. A bit more red. To the stand now. I'm going to colour Earth with green. Green has to be down here. Can you open the blue paint too? I'm using blue now. Earth also has gaps. So wash the blue with a tissue. Then use green again. Just here. Over there, here. Leave a gap like that. Then we will wash away the green. I am going to paint Mars orange today. Let's do it. Now I'm going to paint Mars orange. Now I am going to paint the Jupiter. Jupiter will be purple. I'm going to paint the rest of my planets because there is 4 planets left. This one is greenish. I finished all of my planets and put them on the stand. Don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you.